learning about the culture in which you all continue to keep going, which is hip-hop culture. What you're going to do, we'll learn some basic movements to get the body warm. You'll learn some stretching, and then we'll actually get into a combination. You got right and left and right leg cross. Over, leg, long change, over, down. I'm giving you the names of these skills, all right, so that you can leave with your own terminology to help you create authentic hip-hop choreography. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, take it on stage, right, left, 2 down for left.
Like pink slips, I'm dipping these ink tips to paper. Imagine if we fuck around and lose hip-hop. Imagine if it didn't exist. Imagine nothing shining your wrist. See, imagining to you is a risk, but think about it like no chrome rims and Tim's would be construction boots. We probably wouldn't even substitute. For words we use defining our likes. I'm cold mining these mics to keep that gold.
Think about bringing your belly button to your spine and folding your abdominals in on yourself. That's going to help you create a strong and long back. There you go. 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000.
Do it, get 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 it. Missy in this bitch doing shit you ain't never seen. Missy in this bitch doing shit you ain't never seen. Get it, 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 get it. Back in this bitch, Missy coming out the sun. I got about 100 cool shooters with me, 100 troopers. Got 100 bands going.
Yeah! Hey, fun, dig. Right, left, and out. Yeah! Thank you for people.